Now we are going to design tire for our bicycle. It is one of the important part for our bicycle. Then select right plane and circle center line of 145.26 mm, and then make one circle over there of 79 of 22.5 radius, means 44.5 dia. Make it half circle over there of radius 1 mm. Then make a curve. This curve will be on your requirement basis. Then do mirror part and then join both these curve, and the distance between those things are only 7.5. It is up to you how you want to make the front side of your tire. Since we got the tire outer part, that rubber part, then make one circle of 46.73 of 10 mm and 17.6 mm, both circle. Then extrude it at 38.5 from mid plane. Then make other circle of dia 58.18 and make other circle on top of there of 10 mm. This is for sprocket. Okay, so we need to attach our chain over there. So for that we are going to do that. Make linear pattern of it, of that half circle, and cut it. Trim that part, trim that extra thing. Then make one small circle under over there and extrude it. Make one circle of on the other side of 23 mm and under over there, and just extrude it at least 4 mm. The sprocket is also of 4 mm. Then make one circle of 20 mm. I am going to use convert entities over here and extrude it also 4 mm. So it looks like similar. So for that we are going to do all that thing. Yeah, just we got this. Do fillet part, fillet it properly. This is our front view. Then sketch on top plane. Make one center line and then select the rectangular part. We are going to make one rectangle over there. You see it properly how I am making. It is just like a covering over there, 20 mm distance apart from the center line and 3 mm. So for this we need to do some changes over there in the measurement. Just delete it 20 mm, select that plane and the center line and make it 5 mm, because we are going to make the revolve over there. So for that we want that. Both sides same thing. Carefully revolve it. Select proper line because this is not a correct. Yeah, wait for it. I will correct it. Yeah, you need to do like this and it will be like this. You can see it properly how it will be going to revolve. Use revolve boss over here. Then do fillet part. Don't forget to fillet your parts. because sometimes looks matter. Then make two circles of 20 of 14 mm and 10 mm. Extrude it 2 mm, so it will look like your real tire. Then make it 6 mm for better. I think so for 2 mm is best one. Then we have to do the mirror of that part, that small part, but it will, I think so it will not happening because in between the sprocket will going to come. Now you can see it here because of sprocket it is not happening on the other side. So we will go to the extrude thing only because it will be the best one. Yeah, otherwise make part, make sketch on that plane, and yes, you got it. That same thing, both the side. It is for the attachment to your frame, which we make already. Then select take one star and put it on over there on that plane, and one star to the on the tire, inner surface of tire, and join both the stars by a line. Yeah, you can do that, but before that, yeah, just move forward and then go to the uh, lower part. It is length of 8 mm. Make fillet over there. This is your that polished part of your tire, which is just, you can say it is just like a wire or something which comes out, that thing. Then make 3 mm over there. Now we are going to make one reference plane over that point. You might be know that how to do it. First select the curve or line and then select that point, then you will get the plane over there. So don't forget that, don't be confused. Then make one circle over there of 3 mm and do sweep boss. You will get that thing. Then make one circle of circle and extrude it. Yes. Then make one part over there, sketch over there, and extrude it of 2 mm. Now we are going to make the circular pattern. Yeah, circular pattern over there of that rod, that polish rod, and just wait for it. Select all that part which are going to make patterns of it on circular thing. The radius, make 15 pattern, 15. Let's see. Select over here. You can select on over here also in the type defaults, and you will get sweep, box extrude 7 and box extrude 8. Select those three parts and 40 patterns, and hence you will get that pattern of it. Yeah, just do fillet wherever you want, but it looks good, so I'm not going to touch over here. You can see how it looks. good, and after coloring it will look very very good. So just wait for it. Now do same thing on the other side, same procedure. Okay, so you can skip this part also, or you can see how I make first one. Same thing, two stars with two lines with same distance 8 mm and joining that line over there. Here I done one mistake. I just started from sprocket. You don't do that. You started with that other chart, which I had done before with other side. Yeah, I do. I just forget about that. Same thing. Swift boss is select, make one reference plane, then select yours, and then make one circle of radius of that 3 mm, and then do swift boss. You will get the same thing, and make it pattern. Yeah, I think so. I got it. I had done total wrong because I started from the pocket. So we need to do on other side, not on this on the side of the sprocket. So just remember that thing. Don't do same mistake. I already told you. Same length 3 mm from other side, 8 mm from inner side. Same, making one plane over there, and then making one circle of dia 3 mm. Delete the first part which we make mistake. Then do sweep boss. Hence we got our one rod on other side. Then make one pentagon over there of 4 mm and extrude it at least 6 mm. Then do your circular pattern. Just use circular pattern. Select properly, otherwise you can go to the type default and default over there also. But if you got it what you want to do the circular pattern, then you can do it. You can see here I just it's not look good. You got it what I had done mistake? Just think about it. I will cut it. It will take time. I just need to make over there a cut extrude. Just wait for it. Yeah, I done it. Yeah, just cut extrude it over there and make fillet. You can see the rods are not attached to the tire. You can see it properly. So just wait for it. You got it? I am not selecting proper center for the circular patterns. Now you can see it. It will look good. The rods are attached to the tire, or the tire is look good. And here you got it. And one thing you can say that why you extrude that middle circular part over there, that middle rod between two surfaces. Yeah, I had done one mistake over there, but leave it. It doesn't factor. Then select plane over there and do sketch. This is for our rubber part. We are going to make rubber extruded over there. You know that in the tire the rubbers come out over there. It is shaped think that shapes look like this, but it is up to you, what you want to make. You want to make this such it like shape, or you want to make it your own. That is up to you. This sketch, you can design it whatever you like it for your upper side tire part. Distance, length are simple, 9 mm, 4.5, 7.5, only 3, and extrude it. You can see over there. After that, select top plane, and we need to make it some curve like thing. So sketch it over there. Just wait for it. Yeah, sketch it properly. If I am not giving any measurement to any part, do don't do measurements over there, or don't do dimensions over there, because no need of that. Because while you are going to do extrude that part, you can do any, you can take any dimensions. So you can see that I not do any dimensions over there. I just need that circular part, and it should look good. It is up to you. Make one center line, and then then do revolve cut for getting proper circle over there. Semicircle. You can see it now. The extruded part looks good. Then do your fillet part, 1 mm fillet. It will be fine, 1 mm, or whatever you like it. Sometimes what happens, fillet doesn't work. Then this is because you are not designing properly. So consider that thing. And if you are stuck in any part, stuck in fillet, just redesign it. Then we are going to make one circular pattern over there. Just select what you want to circular pattern and make 40 patterns, just like we do for rods, inner rods of your tire. Just wait for it. It will take time because it is more thing. It will recognize it. It will calculate the all things. It needs time. It takes time. So just wait for it. Select only boss extrude and cut revolve. Only that's it. No need to select your fillet. Otherwise it will not do your revolve part. Yeah, now it looks like, and after when you are painting it, then do it take silver part on the rod. Hence you will get the whole new tire, and it looks good. Don't forget that looking is very important.